Hey there, Leslie here. Today we're going to talk about this question. Have you gotten to the point in your beginner paralegal walk and you're, looking at this career and what's involved? Do you feel that you are mastering your craft of being a paralegal? Well, that's the point you have to work toward, and you cannot wait until you land the job, because even in a one attorney law firm and you're the only paralegal, you don't have time to learn some of these things. You just have to do them. And the attorney is needing to make money to pay his salary or her salary and your salary, and pay for the rent, the lease, whatever it is, the utilities. They have a lot of that they're shouldering. Okay, so you have to come in knowing more than they ever expected. Okay, I want you to go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com and look under the Paralegal Resource Hub and get the playbook, but also look around the hub as well. The playbook, on one of the pages, and this is just one of the pages, in the middle of the page, it will talk about researching paralegal duties in the various areas of law. You have to know how to perform some of those duties before you start sending your resume and cover letter out. This is your homework. This is how you master your craft. We don't stand around all day talking about the finer points of Federal Rule 23 or some other law. We are helping the attorney, we're assisting the attorney, and those are paralegal duties. So what are they for each area of law? You need to understand them. Do you need to know how to perform all of them? But no, but the more you know, the better off you'll be, and the less that you will have to learn by flying by the seat of your pants while on the first job. You want to reduce your stress level as much as possible. So learning more about what you'll be doing every day is vital. So do that. Do that today. Go get that playbook, no charge, and start learning those duties. And if you can join us in the Paralegal Inner Circle class, and you can learn more about it at paralegalcoffeetalk.com. Everything is for beginners, every single thing on the website. Or look under courses. And right now until the 19th, the Cover Letter Secrets class and the Paralegal Inner Circle class are at a special price.